Hello, welcome. Question number 32, WASSCE 2025, Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. We have to find the range of values of x for which x squared minus 2x minus 8 is less than what? 0. We can pick this as inequality. We can also pick it as a quadratic equation. So if you are doing quadratic equation in terms of graphing it, you are looking for the range of values. Okay, let's see. If I pick this, I can just pick my x squared minus 2x minus 8 less than 0. Let's make it to become equals to instead of less than. So x squared 2x equals to 0. Let's find the values of x that we can use in plotting that graph. You can see this is going to be negative 8, factors of negative 8. When you add, you get a negative 2. Remember, those factors, one must be negative, the bigger one. So minus 4 and 2. Product will give you negative 8. Their sum will give you negative 2. So we just open bracket, x minus the first factor, then x plus what? The second factor equals to 0. That means that if I can have the values of x will be x equals to positive 4 or x will be equals to negative 2. So these are the values, or we can say the root or the solution. So if that is the solution, it means that when I draw the graph, what is it going to be? Is it U shape or N shape? We are having positive, so it is a U shape. So the graph is going to pass through, will it pass through the origin? Let's say we just pick the values, the graph is passing this way, let's take it that way. Then it's catching the x-axis as a negative value of what? 2, and cutting the x value as a positive 4. So this is going to be the root or the solution of what? This equation. Now, if they are asking you these values of x for which this is less than 0, it means that I think not equals to 0 could have also worked. This could have also be equals to what? Y, in order to find those values. Now, we just go into the graph and find the values of x which are for which the curve is below the x-axis. Which part of the curve is below the x-axis? Because this is going to be representing this place. And this place is the same as what? The y values. So you can see the goal of this could be y less than what? 0. Where y is equals to x squared 2x minus what? 8 in terms of graph. So if I do that, I am only looking for the values of x for which the curve is below the x-axis. So you can see that I'll be picking these values. Any value here that will have a point on the line. Any value here that have the point on the line. So you can see it is between the values that I'm looking for that help us to draw this part of the curve. Is going to be these values here between negative 2 to the positive 4. Meaning the range will be from negative 2 less than x less than what? 4. Because this negative 2 itself is not part of it. So it's beginning from here all the way and end at where the 4 is. Those values you're looking for. I guess the concept is clear. So let's check the option that will best fit for this. That will be the option C. I'm sure there could be another way where this can be solved. You can do that and share your thoughts in the comment section.